Welcome. Today, we are diving into the world of NRE and ANRO accounts, two essential banking tools for non-resident Indians. If you are living abroad or planning to, understanding these accounts can save you a lot of hassle. So, let's get started. First up, the NRE account. NRE stands for Non-Resident External. It's designed specifically for NRIs to manage their income earned outside India. Here are some key features of the NRE account. Currency, operated in Indian rupees, but funds can be transferred from abroad in any foreign currency. Tax benefits, interest earned is tax-free in India. Repatriation, both principal and interest can be repatriated back to your country of residence without restrictions. Joint account can be held jointly with another NRI, but not with an Indian resident. NRE accounts are great if you want to keep your foreign earnings and Indian investments separate, and if you want the convenience of repatriating funds freely. Next, let's talk about the ANRO account, or non-resident ordinary account. This account is for managing income earned in India. Here is what you need to know about ANRO accounts. Currency, operated in Indian rupees. Taxation, interest earned is subject to Indian taxes. Repatriation, only up to $1 million per financial year can be repatriated, and the amount is subject to tax. Joint account can be held jointly with Indian residents. ANRO accounts are perfect for managing income from sources within India, like rent, dividends, or pensions, and are useful for paying local taxes. To summarize, NRE accounts. Tax-free interest in India. Repatriation of both principal and interest allowed. Only NRI joint holders allowed. ANRO accounts. Interest is taxable in India. Limited repatriation with tax implications. Can be held jointly with Indian residents. Choosing between an NRE and an ANRO account depends on your needs. If you want to manage foreign income and repatriate funds freely, go for an NRE. If you are managing Indian income and need to handle local transactions, an ANRO might be better. We hope this helps you understand the differences between NRE and ANRO accounts. For more financial tips and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.